Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my videos. Today I am going to make Durga Pooja special Channa Dal with coconut recipe, which will be very delicious, tasty to eat. So I have taken half kg Channa Dal soaked. You can see it is soaked here. Now I'll put this to boil. I will put the water, some salt, and put the cover on and give it about 4 whistles. The chana dal is boiled up. Now I'll keep this aside. Put some mustard oil. I have taken coconut and cut up the coconut in this size. Now I'm going to fry this. Coconut is turned brown. Now I'm going to take it out. Now in the same oil I will put 2 bay leaves, 2 red chilies, dry red chilies, garam masala, that is green cardamom, cloves and cinnamon sticks, and some cumin seeds. Put some saffron. Put some garlic paste, ginger paste. Put in the tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Put some jeera powder. Put some dhania powder. Put little bit salt because I have already put salt in the dal. So little bit salt I will put. Now I will put in the boiled dal. I will put the coconut which I have fried and kept. Put slight water. Put 1 spoon of sugar. Put some garam masala powder. And let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Durga Pooja special chana dal and coconut is ready. Once this turns cold, it will set thick. Chana dal and coconut recipe is ready to be eaten hot with rice, parathas, puris. Thank you for watching my